So problem 18 asks us to graph and shade the inequality given here. This is y is less than negative 2/3 x plus 5. Because this is less than, strictly less than, it's not less than or equal to, our boundary line will be dashed. And I'm just going to go ahead and graph the boundary line, right? The boundary line has a y-intercept at 5. At this point in the year, that's pretty straightforward for us to deal with. And it's got a slope of negative 2/3, so I go down 2 and over 1, 2, 3. I go down 2 and over 1, 2, 3. And I'll do it again, down 2 and over 1, 2, 3. And let me go ahead and grab the line to connect those. So there's our boundary line, and you can see it is dashed. The other thing that we do is we should probably test a point to see if we're going to shade above or below that. My favorite point usually to test if it's not on the line is 0, 0. And when I plug 0, 0 in there, I get 0 for y, right? Is that less than positive 5? Because if x is 0, right, 2/3 of 0 is 0, or negative 2/3 times 0 is 0, and if y is 0, 0 is there. So y is less than 5 is definitely true. So since this point is TRUE, since that point is true, I'm going to be shading on this side of the line, below the line. And, you know, yeah, my y's are those y values that are less than the y's defined here. So I'm just shading this way. Everything down here is a solution. And obviously you can see there's a lot of points, and it doesn't matter, where you pick them. Every single one of these, even the ones in the weird middle spots, all of those points are going to satisfy the inequality that y's must be less than negative 2/3 x plus 5.